Hello students, in previous session we had a discussion about subtraction with ones complement. Okay, so in this session we'll see how we can do a subtraction with two's complement. So in this also we need to follow two steps. So what is the first step? First we need to negate the subtrahend. This will change the subtrahend to its equivalent value of opposite sign. So what it means, we have to use a two's complement here. Okay, so in previous session, in order to solve a subtraction with ones complement, first we need to do a ones complement of the given subtrahend, but in this we need to do a two's complement of the given subtrahend. Okay, so negate the subtrahend. This will change the subtrahend to its equivalent value of the opposite signs. That means if a given value is positive plus 21, then if we have a two's complement, then that becomes minus 21. Okay, then it's going to change its sign by making use of the two's complement. So two's complement use ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಈಕ್ವವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So binary values get changed, but along with the sign. Okay, positive value becomes negative and negative value becomes positive. So in this second step we need to add this two's complemented subtrahend to the minuend. The result of this addition will represent the difference between the subtrahend and minuend. So we are going to get the difference between subtrahend and minuend. Okay, so then we are going to get the subtracted value. So now we'll see a problem. Subtract 12 from 15 using two's complement. Okay, so two's complement is different and one's complement is different, so we need to keep it in mind the following steps. Okay, so in this we have two values, that is 12 and 15. So which is subtrahend and which is minuend here? So whatever the value which is present after the from, that will be minuend. So that minuend 15 base 10, that is in the decimal form. Then subtrahend, its value is 12, base is 10. So what is the equivalent value of this minuend? That is 1111, base is 2. Okay, for this 12, 8421 format, 8 plus 4 12, then another two values becomes 0. So in first we need to find which is subtrahend and which is minuend, and we need to convert the given decimal number into the equivalent binary value. Okay, so and in first step we have to negate the subtrahend. So which is subtrahend here? 12. So that we need to negate the subtrahend using two's complement. Okay, so in this step 1, negate the subtrahend. So which is the subtrahend value here? 12, using two's complement value. So how to do two's complement? One's complement plus 1. Okay, we have to add this one to the LSB. Fine. So first we check the one's complement of 12. One's complement of 12. So what is the value of 12? 1100. Then what will be the value of one's complemented? 0011. So 11 ಇರೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 00 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0 ಇರೋದನ್ನ 1 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, in two's complement we need to add LSB. So we have to add plus 1 to LSB. Then we'll see, we need to perform addition. 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. Then again 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 0 becomes 1. Then 0 plus nothing becomes 0. Fine. So this is two complemented value of 12. So we are done with first step. Okay, so that this 12 becomes minus 12, right? So hence 0100 is 0100 is 2's complement of plus 12. plus 12, that is minus 12, which is represented as minus 12. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಟೂಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವವ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್. Okay, so this is regarding first step. So in second step, step 2, so what we have to do in this, we need to add this minus n. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಟೂಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ minus n ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ 0 1 0 0 to minus n. So minus n value is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, then 0 1 0 0. So we need to perform addition here. Okay na, so this is minus n, this is subtrahend. We need to perform addition here. 1 plus 0 becomes what? 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Again this 1. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to ignore the carry here. So in 2's complement we have to ignore the carry. So important thing, ignore the carry. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಒನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟೂಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬೈನರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟು decimal, we are going to get 2 plus 1, that is 3. So that 15 minus 12 becomes what? 3. Okay na. So we'll see equivalent value. So this is 15 base 10 and 8421. It is equivalent to what? 12 minus 12. Fine. 10. Then we are going to get what? Plus 3 base 10. ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 15. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 15? ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 3 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 8421 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 8421 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 plus 1 becomes what? 3. So hence the result is plus 15 base 10 minus 12 of base 10, that is equivalent to what? Plus 3 of 10. Okay, so which is equivalent to what? 0 0 1 1 base 2. Okay, so ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ we need to find the negative value. So we need to negate the subtrahend with using 2's complement. ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಹೆಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನ್ಯೂಯೆಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೈನರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ನ ಬೈನರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅ 2's complement. 2's complement ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1's complement ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಹೆಂಡ್. ದೆನ್ in second step we need to add the produced subtrahend to the minuend. So we have to write down the minuend and new value of subtrahend. Okay, then we need to perform addition. So after performing an addition, if we are getting any carry, then we have to ignore that carry and take this resultant. So hence the result of plus 15 minus 12 becomes plus 3. Okay, so this is how we have to do any subtraction with 2's complement. So now we'll see another example. So in this you can see subtract 1001100 from 1010100 using 2's complement. So first step what we have to do, we have to take which is minuend and which is subtrahend. Okay, so in this already they have given binary format, so that no need to convert. So minuend is what? 1010100 and subtrahend is 1001100. Okay, so these two are the values of subtrahend and minuend. And in first step we have to negate the value. Okay, so we have to 2's complement the value of subtrahend. so that 2's complement we need to perform. In first step we have to compute the 1's complement, right? So this is actual subtrahend and we have to perform 1's complement, so that every 1 becomes 0, every 0 becomes 1. So 1 iddid 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1, 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 1, then 1 becomes 0, then this 1 becomes 0, this 0 becomes 1 and this 0 becomes 1, and we need to add 1 to the LSB, right? So 1 plus 1 is what? 0, carry 1. Again this 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then 0, 1 plus 0 becomes 1. Again remaining value will be same. So this is new subtrahend. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ so this becomes 84 and this value becomes 76. Okay, so we are going to get now this is equivalent to minus 76. so sign ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮೈನ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, so we have to add minuend and subtrahend, that is 2's complemented subtrahend. So what is the minuend value here? This one, 1 0 1 0 1 double 0, and which is the new value? 0 1 1 0 1 0 0, right? Then we need to perform an addition here, so that 0 plus 0 becomes what? 0. 0 plus 0 becomes 0. 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. Okay, so then 1 plus 0 becomes 1. 1 plus 0 becomes 1 again. 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. So again 1 plus 0 becomes what? 1. Again 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1, right? Then 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1. Then 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Then we have to write this carry and we have to ignore this carry too, right? Ignore carry. So what we are going to get? 8421 format na check ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 84 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 76 ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? We are going to get 8. So this is equivalent to what? 8 base 10. Okay, and this is equivalent to 84 base 10, and this is equivalent to minus 76 base 10, so that 14 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಹೋದರೆ 8. okay na? Then this 8 becomes 7 because we have sent a borrow here, right? So this is how we need to perform any subtraction by using 2's complement. So we have to write hence the result is plus 84 minus 76 base 10 is equal to plus 8 of base 10. Okay, so that is equivalent to what? This 000 1 000 base 2. Okay, so this is regarding subtraction using 2's complement. I will assign you some works, so you have to perform same steps in order to solve a given problems. Okay, so write down these 2 steps in your notes along with these 2 examples. Okay, thank you.